Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. So if you haven't already, I would be happy if you click on the subscribe button and join the family. Today's video is part of Birdhouse Challenge collab, and this is hosted by Sarah from Jujube Crafts and More and Indiani Jones. So if you haven't already been to their channels, I'll leave the link of their channels in my description box as well as the playlist of all the participants. So after you have viewed mine, please do click on the next video in the playlist. You would not be disappointed. You'll get so many beautiful videos with great inspirations. This is the final reveal of my birdhouse, you guys. I'm so happy how this turned out. And like you saw the process, I just painted yellow for the birdhouse front and the sides. And the top I painted blue and I stuck pearl stickers just to give like some more dimension to it. And I also, after I stuck and then I painted blue on top of it, and also I distressed it everywhere with a dry brush of grey paint, and that is the same color I gave for the railing in front of the birdhouse. And also I just gave a stamp of a ladybug, so I just wanted to give the look that ladybug is walking out of those flowers, and those are the cute pink roses, and I also stuffed a lot of floral moss and green Spanish moss and some greenery behind the flowers bouquet. And yeah, and I also made it stand on one of the pedestal that I did previously. And this is one of my cute birdhouse, and I absolutely love how this turned out. I hope you also are enjoying it. So let me know your thoughts on this. And I also wanted to put this bird nest. This I created for the previous project, and I just wanted to make her sit next to it. So this is one of her nest, and this is a birdie sitting comfortably in her nest with some flowers and feather and greenery around her. So this is the simple and easy project made from Dollar Tree items. And the birdhouse is from Michael's. It was 99 cents, and I liked it because it had some cute railings so I can decorate some flowers in front of it. That's why I brought that. And like you saw, everything is from Dollar Tree. So I made this birdhouse and this bird nest, everything using Dollar Tree items. And I hope you enjoyed watching and working along with me. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing, liking and sharing. And thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.